Yagshymyradow in the dark blue. See the gloves? Wheel kick landed on the chest there. McCarthy, how'd you feel about round one? What's it scored like?
You know, it was a slow round for both fighters, a lot of feeling out, the big shots, the heavy shots were all landed by Yagshymyradow. So
he was utilizing jab, utilizing things, he already had to switch stance because those calf kicks, I'm trying to tell you, they add up. Right now you see overhand, power overhand, and you're going to see a calf kick right after that because they look similar as you go.
Dowletjan Yagshymyradow appears to have secured his
clinching their place in the playoffs, Dowletjan Yagshymyradow!
Unanimous decision victory means Dowletjan Yagshymyradow is still chasing a $1 million championship in 2024. He has clinched a spot in the first light heavyweight to do so on the card tonight.